So I'm going to go around onto the left side, take the text tool, and I'm going to go around, click here and type in tube. So if I want to blur this layer out, then I cannot do it directly. So if I were to right click over here, go to apply effect and blur and hit the preview button, you don't see it being blurred out right here, even if the radius is high, because this is a text layer and blur does not apply to text. So what you have to do is, before you can apply blur, you have to select the text right here, go to tools, and then go around into convert and break apart the text layer right here. So doing that is not enough. You should go again to the tools menu right here, go to convert and break apart the text layer even further right here. So now once you do that, you can go around, right click, go to apply effect right here and go to blur. You can increase around the radius now and hit preview, and now you can see that the blur has been applied right here. So once you press OK, you can see blur is applied to the text layer now. That is because this is not a text layer anymore. It has been broken apart as drawing. So that is how you can blur out text inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.